Pinag-uusapan ka online. Alam mo ba tong feeling na when something is clearly wrong and you cannot figure out where it is coming from? Baka ikaw rin ganito. There's this, si Manilyn, na nagpapatakbo ng isang pizza place. Great pizza, maraming suki. She has a good reputation sa kanyang community. Pero nung nag-decide na siya to expand into delivery, she was excited. And mas malaking reach, mas maraming customers, more revenue meant more growth. Yun yung iniisip niya. Kaya nag-hire siya ng delivery riders, nag-set up ng online ordering, everything felt like it was moving in the right direction. Pero ang hindi niya alam, one of her riders was consistently rude to customers at the door. Late na sa deliveries, careless pa sa orders, at ang mga customer, hindi nila sinabi kay Manilyn. Instead, they posted in a local Facebook community group. Screenshots, comments, yung restaurant's name niya ay na-mention very clearly. Masarap yung pizza pero bastos yung rider. Second time this happened. Hindi na ako mag-order ulit. Hindi nakita ni Manilyn ang mga post dahil hindi naman siya member ng grupo na yon. She found out through a friend. Ilang linggo nang nakalipas. And by that time, hundreds of people had already seen that comment. Opinions had already been formed. Kaya yung image ng kanyang negosyo na-define na ng ibang tao. While she had no idea that it was happening. So anak, do you know what people are saying about your business sa Facebook groups and community pages na hindi ka miyembro? Ito yung lesson. Customers today have their own platform to share their experience and they don't ask your permission before they do it. Kung hindi ka aktibong nakikinig, somebody else is defining your name, defining your brand, hindi ikaw. Remember, let's always be business-minded Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.